Once you have logged into Prezi, the first thing you need to do to get started is hit New Prezi. This will create a new Prezi for you. You can give your Prezi a title and add a description if needed. Then you can hit New Prezi. Once you create a new Prezi, it'll automatically let you see it. By starting out with Prezi, it just gives you a blank Prezi. This will let you add an idea, which is basically adding text. If you want to save it, you hit exit. To view a Prezi that you've already created, you go to your Prezis at the top of the screen. This will show you all of the Prezis that you have already created. You can hit tutorial, which is the Prezi that I already have created. Once you see that, you get a 4-bar menu. This has edit Prezi, save a copy, download, or delete. We're going to hit edit Prezi. This will let you edit everything that you already have or add new things. You can zoom on the side, out or in. If you ever get too trapped inside something and you don't know what to do, you can hit home, and that'll automatically take you back to where you were before. The first thing that you need to know is how to create a theme. This is like the text that you already have and the background. You can use one of the preset themes, or you can create your original theme, your own, in the theme wizard. The first thing you have to do is pick a background color. This is basically like the paper that you're using. The next thing you can do is click the fonts for Title 1, Title 2, and your body font. You just hit the little arrow on the side and it gives you a huge menu of different fonts. Then you can pick whichever color you want them to be, and then you hit next. Then you can change the color of your circle frame, bracketed frames, and rectangles, arrows and lines, and the marker. You can change those just by clicking on it, and it'll show you what it'll look like. Then you hit done to create your new theme. The first thing that you have to do is to know how to import pictures. By importing pictures, you go to the top left corner and you hit insert. Then you hit load file. You can scroll through your different pictures to find the one that you want. Once it'll upload it, you can click on it. It'll give you a menu bar of 3 circles. The outer circle lets you rotate it, like so. The inner circle lets you resize it, and this lets you move, and the tiniest circle in the middle lets you move it around. Or you can click on the plus that will let you delete it, duplicate it, select more, bring forward, send backward, or it also has a help. Once you have it positioned the way you want it, you can place it wherever you want it on your Prezi. The next thing that you need to know how to do is to insert a video. You hit insert, like where we were before, and then you hit YouTube. To insert a YouTube video, you have YouTube open on a different tab. You just copy the URL from the top and paste it back into here. Then you hit OK, and it'll automatically insert your video. Now it also gives you the 3-circle menu bar. Again, you can rotate it, resize it, and move it how you want, exactly like with the picture. Another thing that might be helpful is to insert text. You click this little arrow to get back to the writing section. For the writing section, it'll let you click wherever you want, and it'll automatically come up with being able to give you text. So you can click on wherever you want, and then you type what you want. Once you've typed that, you can decide if you want it title, title 2, or body. Then you can, and again we'll give you the 3-circle menu bar, and you can move it around however you want. Another thing that's very interesting, especially for presentations, is having pictures in letters. When you insert the picture, you hit load file. Then you can insert whichever one you want. Once you're done inserting that picture, you resize it. You zoom in and you drag it to whatever one you need for it to be under. You resize it really small, and then you place it inside the letter so people can't see it. People will be able to see it later once we create a path, which I'll show you how to do next. Another thing that might be helpful is to put text in letters. There you can duplicate your text by clicking on the little plus, duplicate. Then you can slowly resize it just like we did with the picture. Once you have it resized enough, you can place it in one of the insides of your letters. That'll create a very cool theme once we show you how to create a path. Now for creating a path. This is like the baseline for if you were using PowerPoint. Instead of clicking through each side, it's just going to give you a path to each thing that you want it to go to. So we hit path in the upper left, and then we add by clicking on this. Now you just click on each thing that you need in the order that you want them. 1, 2, 3. You can scroll to the side and add each thing that you want. Videos, and then it'll automatically play your video once we see the show. Inserting text, tutorial, pictures and letters. See, then you go to the main thing. Then you scroll in by using the zoom, and you click on each picture or each text that you need in the order that you want it to go in. Lastly, we learned how to create a path. Then you hit back to the little arrow, and then everything is perfect. Now you hit exit to automatically save. Now it'll give you a preview of your prezi. By down here, you can use the arrows. If you would like it to be full screen, you hit more, full screen. If you don't want it to go full screen, you can hit more, full screen again. You click the arrows to scroll through each of everything that you have. Importing pictures, inserting videos, inserting text, pictures and letters, main idea, sub-idea, and then creating a path. Now you've learned everything necessary for the basics of prezi. Have fun!